Profile cards in New Outlook has received some great enhancements. All associated content is in one place for an individual. You could actually use the profile card instead of search or find related messages features. Let me show you how to incorporate this feature in your daily workflow. I am in Adele's account and I can click on any email for Nestor, it doesn't matter, and click on his email address. So this is the profile card. So in the overview, I can see his work hours. It will let me know if he was working remotely. Notice I have his content information, his organizational chart, so I know who his teammates are or who he reports to, LinkedIn, and some messages. Here's the key here. If I wanted to see messages, I can actually say, show all messages. I have the ability to filter. Do I want to see team items? Or do I just want to see Outlook items? I can specify the date. This is just really awesome. I can find information. Notice that even though I was under overview originally, that it also is pulling this information from the appropriate tab. Let me show you a few other things that is available. Let's click on files. You have the ability to filter by file type to find things quicker. You can send him an email message or chat, and there's a few others. So again, use the profile card to find any related messages on Teams or in Outlook for a user and more. Now, go work your magic.